Hey, what's up people, this is Technical Coder here, back again with another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to defragment your disk. So let's begin. Before that, let's roll the intro.
Devil in disguise.
Okay, so defragment your disk. Just in the search type defragment and optimize disk and then click enter, and here is your disk defragment. You can see here drives. I have C drive, E drive and a reserve drive, and then click on optimize. Here you can see it is done, just because the reserve drive doesn't have anything. And now I will do E drive, and here you can see it is being defragmented, pass 1, pass 2. So if it gets done faster, yes, done. The much time taken by is the C drive. It takes a lot of time because it has lot of system files. So this is how the disk optimization is being done. So hope you like this video and optimize your disk so that it gets faster in reload time, because hard disk takes a lot of time to open files, and if you can upgrade to SSD it will be much better. So optimize your disk weekly. Here you can change your settings and make it weekly or a daily or monthly. I will make it weekly. You can choose your drives, all that one, and then make it done, and it will automatically optimize your disk. So thanks for today guys for this video. Hope you like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you up in the next video. Till then, bye bye, peace.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been